My electric bill was out of control.
Bills were climbing and climbing and climbing.
How much was your electric bill last month?
$200.
Almost $350, $400.
Did you know over the past 20 years, residential electric rates have gone up over 50%?
At the rate it was going, it was just outrageous.
Now you have a choice that's good for your wallet and the environment. With an NRG home solar installation, you could save money every month and lock in your electricity rate for the next 20 years.
Now with NRG Home Solar, our bill has been down by 25% already.
I'm now opening up my bills and seeing a set rate for the next 10 or 15, 20 years.
There are no starting costs. Installation is free. And if you call right now, you'll receive your first 60 days of solar electricity free. Going solar has never been easier. And now, going green can save you thousands of dollars.
NRG Home Solar made it very easy. Nothing has changed for me other than the fact that I'm paying less for my electricity.
As a Fortune 500 company, our parent company, NRG Energy, has helped pro football stadiums and premier luxury resorts go solar. Now, with NRG Home Solar installation, you get that level of expertise and dependability for your home.
Environmental is always important, but the number one seller for me was the money.
Not only does going solar benefit the environment, but the other benefits really add up.
Literally a good $30,000 to $40,000 to $50,000 increase in my home.
NRG Home Solar installation costs you nothing to get started. The installation is free. And if you call right now, you'll receive your first 60 days of solar electricity free. That's 2 full months of power free. Call 1-888-555-1212 or visit gonrghomesolar.com. Call now to find out how much you can save on electricity and how to get 60 days of power free. Call 1-888-555-1212.